Hello mga ka-travel, this is Paul of Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. And kakatapos lang guys nung 32nd Travel and Tour Expo 2025 no, last February 7 to 9. At ginanap po ito sa may SMX Convention Center. And I'm very much proud to say no, na nakasama po yung company natin, si Global Pinoy Travel and Tours, dito po sa event na to kasi organized po ito nung PTAA or Philippine Travel Agencies Association, which is member din po dyan si Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. Kaya yan guys, no, yung mga kaganapan ng event na yan, nag-offer tayo ng mga affordable na mga fares, airline tickets, at napakarami pa hong iba. And marami din ho, no, yung mga travel agent partners natin na pumunta, and also yung mga clients po na nag-avail sa atin ng kanilang mga tour packages. So congratulations Global Pinoy, and also sa mga viewers natin dyan, alam nyo ba na pwede mo ding umpisahan yung negosyo po na ito in less than 20,000 pesos capital. Yes po, pwede ka na mag-start ng sarili mong travel and tours business with Global Pinoy. Kaya kung gusto mong malaman pa no, yung negosyo natin na to, message mo lang ako in my inbox at isi-share ko sa'yo itong ating business, and also you can attend our free webinar. With that, God bless po sa ating lahat.